Kenyans, you can see I'm under attack. I've been chased by armed police officers. They pointed guns at me. We were only able to escape. You can see I'm being hosted by these children. Ruto, you are not going to kill us unless you kill all of us. But we are not going to relent. You wanted to kill me over 3 vehicles. You have even sprayed my vehicle. I am only alive by grace of God. But we are not going to relent on the fight. I want to tell Kenyans that I'm temporarily safe in this house. Adwa nyumba. Ndimwire die dire dona maundu tamare tona muthenya wa muthi. Nikurago nguragwo. Ni andu mena michinga na ni borithi. Ngari 3 igutuhingiririe kuma tukiuma Karau. Njire no ya gukanya hururu. Ona tumoro hau Karau town. Andu acio maruta michinga, manyonia michinga. Niho njirire Diki ndereba wakwa ndamwira ino ni mikura ni andu marenda gutuhingiriria. Diki etha njira ahanyuka tuhanyuka biu twamatiga ona Ngai ni mwega. Tondu magutuonereirie michinga ona ni kwenda nianga mucinga waga kurathuka. Munyaka twoka guku nginya guku ndi na ringwanira njuge ndi guku njororoko to ni kuo ndi. Na aya ni andu aria mandeithia. Andu a nyumba mahingurira guku ndaingira guku kwao. Ni guku kwao ndi no muone ni guku kwao ndi. Nao mafuata ngari ari eri mamihura na rithathi no Ngai ni munene matigutugiria muoyo ni Ngai uheanaga mutiguturaga ona mukuru muguturaga giturage ithuothe.